Welcome to This Is My Architecture. I'm Santiago, and today I'm joined by Tushar from Veritas. Tushar, thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me a little bit about Veritas.
So Veritas is the data and information management company, which includes protection, recovery, and compliance.
Okay. So what are we looking at here today?
So today we are looking at the Resiliency platform product from Veritas, and that is the DR and migration tool for customer workloads from the VMware virtual machines and Microsoft Hyper-V virtual machines into AWS.
Okay. So I see here that we have on-premise on the left side. Tell me a little bit about these boxes here at the bottom.
So the boxes at the bottom are the components that are deployed as part of the Resiliency platform into the customer's data center. These are the components which do the data movement as well as the discovery and operations on the workloads.
Okay. All right. And on the right-hand side here, I see we have the AWS cloud. How do we deploy all these components?
So all the components that you see here are deployed using the marketplace, through the CloudFormation template, and you see the corresponding components. The Resiliency Manager is the one which is the brain. The replication gateway is on either side to do the data movement, and the Infrastructure Manager to do the the operations and discovery on both sides of the component.
So I see we have some matching instances to virtual appliances, and this is deployed via CloudFormation, available on marketplace. How does the connectivity happen here between these components?
So let me just show you the connectivity between some of the components, right? So the Infrastructure Manager, right, has to go through VPN, right, and connects to the Resiliency Manager. So similar connectivity exists between the Resiliency Manager and Infrastructure Manager, right? Okay. So this is the connectivity. For the data movement part, the replication gateways can go either via internet, right, or through direct connect, right? And they communicate using directly to S3.
Okay. So I see here we have some of the connectivity. I guess we also connect here.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And so we have definitely some connectivity here that's for the control plane around a VPN, and then we have for the data plane going right to S3. We have it through either direct connect and then over the internet. So what happens here? So you're using here S3. What kind of data? So you're putting here some of the storage, some of the storage from on premises?
Yeah. So this is the most interesting use case that I want to talk about, right? I mean, because we are migrating customer workloads, which are the virtual machines, the real workloads, right? These are block level data. We are using S3 to transfer block level data through an object storage.
Well, that's an interesting use case. So using the object storage to store block level kind of components. So what do we have here Lambda for?
So because this is an eventual consistent storage, right? What we do is we capture the notifications that are there. We send data over to the object store. We get the notifications. We hold the notifications, and we process them so that post the processing we can make it usable for block storage replication.
Okay. So when an object gets here on S3, the notification is triggered. I also see here SQS and DynamoDB. Tell me a little bit about those two components there.
So S3 is the component which is the durable and scalable storage, right? Now these two components are ensuring the ordering of the of the data that is coming from the premises. Actually, either way, right? Whatever whatever direction the replication flows, these two components are used by our lambdas that we supply to ensure ordering of the data, and they are made available for eventual consumption.
Great. So S3 for durability, and then I see DynamoDB and SQS for keeping that consistent order.
Right.
Great. Thank you for joining us, Tushar.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching This Is My Architecture.